Welcome to this video. Plants are a stick bed, vegetable gardening, a complete cat. The stick gardening bed have become an increasingly popular and give vegetable and for good reason. If often better, controlling few weeks and innovation during whether you are greenhouse gardening or seasoning growing. Plants are stick bed vegetable gardening can various health growth. We walk without even step for plants and nutrition to plants and main entrance. What is a stick gardening bed? A stick gardening bed consists of contain is a frame that's at above ground level. The bed can be construction and weak recycled material. Then 6 into 24-inch height and can be placed on 6 even payment with a substantial basic layout. Before of stick bed salt quality you can controlling better during water explode easy root loss growing seasoning the salt warm up fast in scrolling plants your stick gardening bed gardening for build and plants your gardening plants consider those key aspects choose a right location select a set that requested at later 6 to 8 hours sunlight daily most vegetable type like tomato or pepper need full sun that supported and water secured and protective for storm. Size and 4 by 4 sheet 4 by 6 inch of 12 to 8 inch. Foot is idea benefit allow access both sides without step into the bed which compacts the salt. Choose material. Wood natural, easy to use and aesthetic place. Metal and recycled material great for a modern or rustic look. Build a rustic bed. One, you select your material and size you are ready to build. Step by step. Construction. Make the area outer level the group. Remove and weak and level of surface before the frame. Add landscape weak for growing those. Fit and width scrolling use a max compost and other original material. What to plants in your rustic bed. You can growing almost and vegetable in a rustic gardening bed. Start with easy to growing. If you are new to gardening, idea vegetable, root vegetable, how to plant your rustic gardening bed, lay out the setting, your secret fit gardening principle to max productive. Your rustic bed into the growing for one food plants one of type for vegetable per square basis. Its space need water after planting. Water the base after planting. Keep the soil compacts during the growing